We're back with another awesome property here. We are in the city of Sabaneta, which is adjacent to Medellin. And this property is very unique because it's large and it's a house. This is a 3-story house. You've got your own parking space in there in a gated community, by the way. You can park at least 3 cars there on that side over there. And you've got the main entrance door and then the parking doorway. And you can see that this was completely remodeled. This is the kitchen right here. It's not the traditional Colombian kitchen. It's more Americanized with the oven, with the stovetop on the island here, and the open concept to the whole home, this first floor, where you have the living area, dining area, and kitchen area all in one, which makes it so much more inviting. That right there on the left was a chimney, by the way, a fireplace. It has a chimney there, which is also great because Sabaneta does get a little cooler than Medellin, especially at night, so you would be using that. This backyard area here has a jacuzzi, which is awesome. You don't see this very much. You don't see houses in Medellin or the surrounding area very much because it's so densely populated that most properties are in apartment buildings. So having a property like this that is so large and so so much space, and it's a 3-story home, is pretty unique. So here we're walking up the stairs. As we walk up the stairs, let me give you some more details. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. It is 200 square meters. In square feet, that's about 2,100 square feet. And it's got a guest bathroom downstairs, which I skipped over. I didn't do the view of that one. But this is the first bedroom here. As you can see, the rooms are pretty big. I mean, this is a big house. You could easily fit a king-size bed if you wanted on here. In this room, you've got the closet there, and each door. So the previous owner was renting this out kind of like a hostel, where each door has its own key code, and this is the shared bathroom upstairs, fully remodeled. It's a full bath. That's a touch mirror, by the way. Where to turn it on, you just touch a button on the mirror. So as you can see, each door has like its own number lock or whatever, a lock with that digital lock. So if you wanted it for an investment purposes, you could rent out each room. Again, this is a house in a gated community. So Airbnbs are allowed, but they're just not allowed daily. They're 30-day minimums. This is the master bedroom here. The owner was there just chilling on the deck or the balcony of the master bedroom. This is the master bath with a little bit of a walk-in closet here. I mean, you got to walk through the closet to get to the master bath, which has also been completely redone. They did a really good job, kind of like that rustic Sabaneta feel. It feels like you're in Sabaneta. If you know what Sabaneta is, it's kind of a small town adjacent to Medellin. And this kind of goes along with it. Even though it was remodeled and it looks modern, it also has those rustic and small town vibes to it. So, okay, so that was the second floor. Now we're going to go to the third floor here, which I think is my favorite area. I don't know. The jacuzzi is kind of cool too. I mean, it's very cool. I would spend time in the jacuzzi after the gym, hanging out. Now that I have a kid, we'd probably be in there a lot. But this is the third floor. This is an extra room on the third floor. So you could use it as a bedroom if you wanted to, or you could use it as a room on this terrace here, or just knock it all down if you wanted to and make this just a giant terrace right here. On the terrace, you've got a little island there. You've got the barbecue over there. You can really deck this out and make it your own. I would probably put a projector up here to watch football games, basketball. I mean, you could do so much with this property. That's what's so exciting about it. We don't get properties like this very much. So the asking price on this one is 1,152 million Colombian pesos, which comes out to be $284,000. The price per square meter comes out to $1,400. If you know anything about the real estate market here, you know that is a really good price per square meter. So if you want to make an offer on this one, or you want to see this one, all you got to do is click on the link in the description. It'll take you to a form. Fill it out, and somebody on our team will get back to you. And if you want to see more awesome properties, click on this playlist right here.